Hi there, this is Ranjit, and in this video we'll be doing the unboxing and have a first look at this Honor 9N, which is a new smartphone launched by Honor. And again guys, as you can see, this is a review note, so price is not mentioned, but I'll have the details about the pricing in the YouTube description area. And they have sent the 4GB RAM model that comes with 64GB of internal storage, and here it gives us some basics specs. It's having a 5.8-inch screen, full HD plus screen, and this one is supposed to have the notch design, and it also says made in India over here. And I don't know the pricing, I'll have that, but I'm assuming that this will be less than 15,000 or around that. Let's see what will be the pricing. And here is the smartphone itself. Let's just take this out, and yeah, it has that glass back design, so looks actually premium, I have to say. And this one is also having that notch design and the Honor branding. We'll come back to the device later. Some IMI stickers, and this just comes out. We have the SIM ejector tool, and we also have a case, simple so it's a hard plastic case, not a TPU case, slightly hard, not very hard, so very light. And if you put it like this is how it looks from back. It looks a little bit different. So this is what the case you're getting with this one. And moving some paperwork, quick start guide, warranty guide, and we have micro USB cable, standard. This is not USB type C, so same. And this is the power brick, and it's Huawei branded power brick, and it's a 5V 2A charger, guys. So that's what we are getting with this one. So let me keep these things to the side and let's look at the handset itself. So here is the handset itself, and actually it's pretty light to hold. It's having a 5.8-inch screen. Let me give you a physical overview. On the top we have a secondary noise cancellation microphone, and this is metallic. The outer shell case is metallic, and we have the volume rockers, power on off button. On the bottom, the main microphone, USB Type-C port for charging. This will be the main microphone, the speaker, 3.5mm headphone jack, and the SIM tray. Let's look at the SIM tray configuration and see what they provided us. And it's a hybrid solution, guys, so you can put 2 nano SIMs or 1 nano SIM and a micro SD card with the same. So let's put this back, and let me actually boot it up so that you can have a better idea. Give me haptic feedback and Honor branding, and as you can see, that notch is there. And by the time it actually boots up and I set this up, let me give you a configuration overview. This Honor 9N is having a 5.8-inch full HD plus screen in the 19:9 aspect ratio. It's powered by the Kirin 659 Octa Core processor, and it comes with 4GB of RAM and 64GB of internal storage. It also has dual camera setup. The main camera is a 13-megapixel shooter, and the secondary camera is a 2-megapixel for depth sensing, and the front-facing camera is a 16-megapixel shooter. It also has a fingerprint scanner at the back and a 3000 milliamp hour battery. So guys, I've just finished setting up this device, and again it's running on Emotion UI, which is used by most Honor and Huawei phones, so that is the same. And there are some pre-installed apps also there on this one. Let me just cancel that. And it has FM radio, as you can see. And let's look under the hood. Again, if you go over here, let's go to the settings, and if we go to system and about the device, as you can see, it's running on the Android version 8.0, and it's having that 4GB of RAM. And out of that 64GB, about 53GB is what will be available to you. So that's what you are getting with this device. And I have to say, guys, this actually resembles the Honor 10 in terms of the looks and everything, because of the notch. And in fact, this is the Honor 10 that I have. Also in terms of size, it's almost the same in size. Yes, from the back, this one has that more shiny back and the fingerprint scanner, but yeah, from the front actually it resembles the Honor 10. So in terms of looks, I have to say this is looks very premium, in fact, I would say. And it has what do you say, the Fingerprint scanner over here, again, as expected with Honor phones, it is very responsive. As you can see, very responsive fingerprint scanner that you're getting. And we also get the option of face unlocking. I've enabled it. As you can see, if I just and it unlocks very quickly, even with the face unlock. So no issues regarding that. And you have that notch design over here. But if you go to display and notch option is there, you can hide the notch if you want. But yeah, no, this is the notch that you have on this device. And now let's quickly have a look at the camera of this device and let's see how well it does. So let's just go over here. Again, it's giving a quick option. I'll just allow all this. I love camera for location and all these things. So typical Honor camera that you can expect. We have tap to focus, so that's what it is. And yeah, if you tap, it also adjusts the exposure. And we also have this mode, that's the portrait mode, and with that you can get that bokeh kind of an effect that you want. So yeah, that's what it is. And bokeh disabled, yeah, so that option is that you can enable or disable the bokeh from here. And this is the beauty level also option that is given from the back. And this is the moving picture option that you're getting. And we also have this aperture, wide aperture mode. Here you can actually adjust how much background blur you want. This is typical with Honor phones. So here, as you can see, it's on f4. If I go down, again f1.4, it can go down up to about 0.95. It's crazy, that is actually. But let's just go down to, let's say, 2.5 and take this picture, and the background blur should be good. And let's have a look. Good thing is that even in that aperture mode, the processing speed was fast, no delays. As you can see, this was in normal mode in the aperture mode, and this is without any effect, standard stuff. So let's go back. Now let's look at the front facing camera. And this is the front facing camera. And it says save as mirror on, mirror off. I'll just put it as on. And we have the portrait mode. Even with that, this is the regular stuff that I took. And this one would be in the portrait, so it'll try to do that background blur. And by default, guys, the beauty level is on at a high, so just reduce that if you want. And that bokeh enabled. Okay, this is nice. In fact, with this preview, the front facing camera performance actually looks to be good, guys. So let me do one thing, guys. Let me actually take some sample shots with this device so that you can have a better idea regarding its camera performance. So here are some of the sample shots that I've shot with this Honor 9N's rear facing camera in my office in artificial lighting conditions. And here are some of the sample shots with the front facing camera in artificial lighting conditions in my office. And here are some of the sample shots taken with the rear facing camera in outdoor conditions in my roof garden. Yes, it's a cloudy day, but here are some of the samples taken with the rear facing camera in outdoor lighting conditions. And again, here are some of the samples with the front facing camera in outdoor lighting conditions. So guys, that's it for now for the unboxing and first look at this Honor 9. And do let me know in the comment section, what do you think about this device? Certainly in terms of styling, it is a very stylish device, I would say. And yes, it has the notch. And I know some people who are looking for a stylish phone with the notch design. If you are that sort of a person, you can have a look at the same. Anyways, if you have any other specific questions regarding this Honor 9N, do let me know in the comments section and I'll try to include them in my review. So guys, that's it for now. Thanks for watching, and if you're still not subscribed to my YouTube channel, hit that subscribe button. This is Ranjit and I hope to see you very soon. Take care, guys.